I am here today to present you with a fantastic new business opportunity. Would you like to know why nobody ever quits our company? It's very easy. Nobody quits when you pay them and ensure everyone is paid daily 100% of the time. No other company can come close to what we are doing. That's not an opinion. I can prove it. We share because we care, and we are paid daily every single time. If you are not a member, you will want to watch this video so you can get an idea of what you've been missing out on. Doesn't matter what you're doing, this system will pay you more on top of whatever you're making, even if you never tell anyone. It works every single time and has been for quite a bit, with years to come. We do not want you to quit anything you're doing now. We do ask if you would like yourself and 100% of any team you may have if they would like to get paid more daily for what they are doing anyway. Telex Free is a network marketing telecommunications company whose product is VoIP technology that allows its customers to call freely to landline and mobile phones. Telex Free can be the business opportunity of a lifetime. Would you like to make money just publishing ads on free classified sites, which takes just a very few minutes per day? Would you like to make even more money? Share Telex Free with your friends and invite them to your network. We, as marketing affiliates of the company, can earn money two different ways, individually or through group earnings. Let me give you a better understanding of what we affiliates do. We, affiliates, are the advertising arm for the company and use online free classified ads to advertise for the company to acquire customers for them. There is no need to sell product or recruit anyone. You just need to post classified ads daily. Each classified ad can be done in just 2 minutes. All the ads are already prepared by the company. It's a matter of copying one of them and publishing it on a site the company gives you. There are 2 packages to choose from, and either package can be purchased easily by PayPal. Ad Central package costs $299. The value of the Ad Central package is as follows. Here's how it works. By publishing 1 classified per day, you will earn $20 per week for an entire year. The annual earnings of $1,040 and taking out of your initial package cost remains a net gain of $741 just by publishing 1 ad per day. But it doesn't stop there. You can earn more by purchasing an Ad Central family package. An Ad Central family package costs $1,375. For this plan, you publish 5 ads per day and your earnings will be $100 per week for the entire year. So you will earn a total of $5,200. If you take out your initial cost, your net gain is $3,825. It is an excellent way to earn for a job that can be done in less than 10 minutes a day in the comfort of your home or office. Once again, to earn with Telex Free, you are not required to refer anyone to make money. How will your ad help the company to grow? We post simple ads about Telex Free unlimited phone services that are available in more than 40 countries. If you would like to earn more money than we have already mentioned earlier, then you can build your own network, and you can enjoy fantastic earnings by building a team. For each Ad Central package that one of your team purchases, you will receive $20 USD. And for each Refer Ad Central family that one of your team purchases, you will receive $100 USD. Adding 2 new advertisers, one on the left and another on the right. You will be qualified for team earnings for the growth of your own network and may even receive spillover. And just when you thought it couldn't get any better, you can become a team builder at Telex Free. There are 2 ways to become a team builder. The first one is purchasing more Ad Central packages yourself. The second way is having your team purchase 10 Ad Central plans in the first 60 days after you join and purchase your own Ad Central family plan. When you become a team builder, you will earn part of the team builder profit pool. Join now, right now, and earn money just publishing ads for Telex Free on the internet.